got a
What?
head position at the top dental school down in Louisiana.
What? What kind of question is that? I got all my teeth ripped out. It's not fun. Why are you laughing at me? It's not funny.
Tell her you've got gauze in your mouth.
I do.
Tell her what's in your mouth.
It's soggy.
It's soggy.
Yeah, 'cause you keep laughing at me. I can't even, move my mouth. It's so fat. What are you talking about? I don't know. Did I?
Yes. And you started to cry.
No, I didn't.
Mm-hmm.
I just woke up. My face, it feels weird. It's not dark. No, it's not.
Tell her what's in your mouth, Sarah.
Why?
You said somebody was in your mouth.
Who?
You said God was in your mouth.
He is?
That's what you said.
He's in there.
That's what you said.
Shut up.
Wait, no, don't hang up.
Too late.
Go back to sleep. Does your face hurt?
Yeah, it feels like a balloon.
Does it hurt?
I don't know. It hurts me.
Does it hurt bad enough to take some medicine, or are you okay?
Is that my tongue?
Mm-hmm.
What are you doing?
Looking at my iPad.
You looking at it?
And what?
Do I see attitude?
You could go back to sleep.
I take my band. Can I take this off?
If it starts bleeding, we'll have to put it back on.
I can't let you beat me.
Who? The doctor what?
It's not a blunt. What did he do?
That's where they put the needle.
He didn't bite me.
No, he didn't bite you.
He bit me. Why did I bleed?
Because when they took the needle out, it started to bleed. Is it bleeding?
I don't know. My mouth hurts.
You need some pain medicine?
Can I have a mirror too? I want to see what I do.
You look just like you always look.
I feel like I look like...
Hey. You want a mirror?
Yeah.
You want some medicine for the pain?
And pudding.
Do you think you can eat?
I don't know.
Can you drink?
I'm hungry.
You're hungry?